one over here, and one over here. Oh, there.
2.
Okay, there we go. And then unscrew this one. If you don't do it, if you unlock this only, that will not come off. Lift it up. So you just wiggle it. Okay, so you can see dust in here. This is our car dust. This is really dirty right now. See? So first thing first, if you have the old one, you need to get a new one. Now you're supposed to slowly pull it out. There's like a manual so you can think what you're gonna do with it. So you take it out easily, and then you put it back inside. Look at this point. If you put it like this way, this is the wrong way. If you put it like this way, this is the right way. So now you're gonna put it in this spot, and then it's all ready.
Alright guys, so when you put it back, make sure you put the lock on this back one first, then push it down and put the lock, everything back. And tight this bolt. I want to mention some of the things like, when you're removing the old air filter, you may see some kind of dust inside the cabin. So make sure you use the vacuum cleaner to vacuum the entire area before you put new air filter in. You need to replace your engine air filter every 30,000 miles to 45,000 miles, depending on the make and the model. Also, I bought this air filter from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description if you guys want to buy the same one. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, share this video with your friends and family. Until I see you next time, stay blessed.